The last chance from Oyarzabal and Zubimendi for Spain. Ronaldo. Gonzalo Ramos scores! An emphatic start for the Portuguese. Marino! 1-1. The perfect response from Spain's point of view. Vitinha strikes with conviction.
Yes, that slow approach.
Another penalty of the highest quality. 4 successful kicks out of 4. Portugal keep their noses in front. Pressure.
And Diogo Costa got fingertips to it, but Isco delivers.
Yeah, he had a little...
Some great penalties.
And not a goalkeeper in the world saving that one.
As it gets.
You'll see the story recently. Ronaldo's neighbours, but they have made themselves heard tonight. And who they've beaten in this final is going to make it feel all the sweeter. Alexander Ceferin accompanied out to the pitch for the trophy presentation. Theodoros, the UEFA General Secretary, Pedro Branca, President of the Portuguese Football Federation, Rafael Lozan, President of the Spanish Federation, Bert Nurendorf, too, the German Football Federation, getting their hands on the Nations League trophy this evening. He was quite a player in his day. Pepe brings out the prize for Portugal. Heroes' adoration for the former Real Madrid and Porto defender. He's had his time in the sun. He's had his glory. Former teammate of Cristiano Ronaldo when they won the Euros in 2016. And Pepe now lauds the successful Portuguese players who followed him.